Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I hope you'll stick around and subscribe. Today I've got another super simple glam DIY for us. We're going to be making a glam crystal mirrored display stand. And so what you're going to need some of these teardrop pendants. These are from Efavormart. I have some floral diamond wrap, also from Efavormart. Efavormart is an online retailer of event decor, event lighting, event supplies, and so much more. I will have Efavormart's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out. And what I have here is some Bling Wrap. This Bling Wrap is from Totally Dazzled. Totally Dazzled is an online retailer of wedding decor and event decor and so much more. I will have Totally Dazzled's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out as well. And what you're going to need from Dollar Tree, you're going to need an 8x10 mirror. You're going to need 2 square mirrors, 2 of these round mirrors. You're going to need a pack of napkin rings. And I think these come in a pack of 6 or 8, I'm not sure. But they're from Dollar Tree as well. You're going to need a taper candle holder. And then you're going to need a pack of these 2 Tealight holders. So they come in a pack of 2, so you'll just need 1 pack of these. And then you're going to need some foam board. I have some scrap foam board here. I'm going to start with this and then get another piece if I need to. But you will need some foam board, also from Dollar Tree. I have a little knife here, also from Dollar Tree. And from Walmart, I have some peel and stick gemstones. Now you can find these gemstones on a half sheet size at Dollar Tree. I will be using hot glue on my project. But if you like to make any components permanent, please use something like an E6000 or an epoxy bond, and that will help to make it permanent. These are the items that we need in order to create this beautiful display stand. So let's get started. Okay guys, now didn't this multi-tiered mirrored display stand turn out absolutely beautifully? Super easy to make, and you can use this in so many different areas of your home. Super versatile. But let's go ahead and start decorating with it. Well, there you have it, you guys. Another beautiful and super simple glam DIY. I hope you guys will give this easy DIY a try. If you like these kinds of glam DIYs and glam videos, please be sure to share my videos with your friends. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.